swinging on the red dirt ground. Saloon door swinging wide open, it's about to go down. Outlaws riding out of the hills, shooting moonshine, shotgun shells. A bunch of hellraisers wanna send you to your maker. No time to saddle up, so you gotta act now and shoot from the hip. Ask questions later, shoot from the hip. Come on. Sometimes the only peacemaker is a hairpin trigger and a fingertip. You gotta shoot from the hip. Shoot from the hip. The dust settles, the barrels go cold, and it's deuces wild at the watering hole. Turns out cards and hard liquor don't mix too well. And this joker with an ace up his sleeve in a midnight special that nobody can see. I show him four of a kind, he gets red in the eye. He flips the table over, I reach for mine and shoot from the hip. Ask questions later.